Hey guys, welcome back to my kitchen of vegan iniquity where it's still summer and I'm still doing summer vegetables. I really like corn, and since the corn is really starting to come in now, I figured I'd do another corn recipe. The Real Thing showed me this corn chowder recipe, and so I decided to try it. It has all the usual aromatics: onion, garlic, celery, red peppers. You soften the vegetables and cook them just till they're translucent. You don't want to brown the vegetables for this soup. Then you throw in some cubed potatoes. I used Yukon Gold potatoes. And of course you use corn, fresh corn. If you feel like getting a bunch of cobs and slicing the kernels off. Otherwise you can use frozen and make this any time of year. It also has some vegetable broth, a little bit of sherry vinegar, or you can use white wine vinegar, some smoked paprika, some celery seeds, salt and pepper to taste, and coconut milk. Now let me grab my spoon here and take a taste. Of course, I have tasted it before I dished it up, just to make sure the salt and vinegar and stuff like that are all good. Hang on, I forgot. Okay, so after it cooks, you can either put some of it in a blender or use a stick blender to blend just about half of it. I used a stick blender. I don't like pouring hot soup into my blender. But this was not called for in the recipe. I'll have to add it to the recipe. This is my secret ingredient. If you can find this. Freeze-dried corn. Whiz some of this up in your blender into a powder and mix it into your soup. Oh my God. It was like 10 times better after I mixed in the powdered freeze-dried corn. Now the only thing I think I would change is the coconut milk, because the coconut milk makes it taste like it ought to be a curry, and it's not. I put extra black pepper in because I wanted it to be spicy. The coconut milk made me kind of want it to be spicier. And it's good. It's a delicious chowder. But I think I will use cashew milk the next time I make it. So thank you for showing me the recipe, The Real Thing. Thank you, everyone, for watching, liking, commenting, sharing, and subscribing. Thank you for visiting the community tab. Regular uploads, Sunday, Tuesday, and Thursday. Although yesterday was a holiday. It was a Monday, so I did a Labor Day feast. Regular community tab posts Monday and Friday. I did post up the theme music to the movie Picnic that I mentioned in my Labor Day video. That's a beautiful song. You might want to have a listen. And I'm going to have one more. Let me see. Oh yeah. Regular community tab post Monday, Friday. Oh yeah. Occasional shorts on Wednesday. Occasional cat videos on Catterday. And here goes one more for the... Oh yeah, this is also garnished with extra corn and chopped red bell peppers. You could put spicy peppers in here too if you wanted to. See you later, guys.